So, this summer I'm going to go on a peanut rehab. I'm not going to eat any more peanuts, so I'm going to go buy peanuts now to celebrate that I'm not going to eat peanuts this summer, because I think the reason I'm so tremendously fat is because of peanuts. Mostly because I ate a lot of peanuts. Today's episode, how do you do into a bosom? Welcome to Stories of My Life. So today, Saturday, Stockholm, Sweden. The sun is out, we're having 2 shows. I'm about to go on a cross trainer to work out for half an hour, watching my friend Magnus go crazy in Peru. Let's just enjoy the day, shall we? More after this message. Hello, I'm Beyond the Sea Who Knows, the pop icon and down-to-earth diva. Relaxation and recreation can be a hazard when you're the mother of 2 or 3 boys and possibly a girl named Lapis Lazuli. But I'm lucky to have found Joachim Clifton Bergman's Instagram account. It is filled with hours and hours of fantastically funny stuff, but also social issues of special interest like dieting and exercisement. I love it, and you will too, if you love me. 30 minutes later, up yours. I need to hurry, I'm a bit late. Well, not late, but I mean, if I want to keep my schedule, I need to hurry. Okay, people, let's go. Wait, I'll do it again. Okay, people, let's go. Yeah, that's right. The following lyrics. Look at me now. Look at me. I'm as helpless as a kitten up a tree. And it's Grease.
Yeah, Grease.
Yeah. It's Grease Geek Week.
Has it been all week?
Yep.
Look at lovers having a blast.
Yeah, it's got the hiccups, and I can cure it just by filming her, I think. Just look at me. I think you already stopped. No, you're going to drink upside down. Come here. So you're going to drink from that.
Nej, vad fan?
Upside down. Yeah, you had to be that way, isn't it? Okay. This is Felicia drinking upside down to cure her hiccups. Well, are you cured?
Kanske. Det känns som att det är kallsup.
I'm like Jesus, I just cure people. Look at. The following lyrics. Look at.
Look at me, I'm Sandra D. Lousy with virginity. Ja, där botade den.
Following lyrics. Look at. Look at me now, taking a bow. How. The following lyrics. Look at.
Me, I'm Sandra D. Vad är det med mig och Grease?
Lyrics. Look at.
Look at me, I'm Sandra D. I will not be, I will be ever you in my heart, because I'm Sandra D. Oh!
Repeat the following lyrics. Beauty.
Beauty school dropout. Ooh. Beauty school, bye-bye.
The following lyrics. Beauty.
Beauty school dropout. Slut på glamouren.
We're in between shows, the sun is shining, I'm going out for some fresh air. I need some air in my lungs. Everyone keeps saying it's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot, people are gonna faint, and I go, I should have brought a jacket. I try to make every day be something like that I can use for a sentence like how I got, and then how I got hungry, how I got a suitcase, how I got to Rome. Anyway, and today I can't really think of anything I've done so far that can sort of be how I got. So I need to get something. I just met Karen, a nice Karen, the nice Karen over there. She's the one who gave me. She loves Tommy and she loves the show. She's from England. Oh, she's so nice. I should have sort of put her on. Damn, didn't think about it. She gave me that really nice, all those nice birthday presents. Damn. So funny because I saw this woman staring at me and I thought, I recognize her, but I'm not sure. And she still kept looking and I thought, oh, she recognizes me. And then she said, Karen. And I said, oh, thank God. So this summer I'm going to go on a peanut rehab. I'm not going to eat any more peanuts. So I'm going to go buy peanuts now to celebrate that I'm not going to eat peanuts this summer, because I think the reason I'm so tremendously fat is because the peanuts. Mostly because I eat a lot of peanuts and there's a lot of fat in the peanuts. They're really good for you, but not if you sort of eat them by the bucket. So today might be called How I Got Peanuts. For the last time, question mark. I also got a watermelon. This is David's face when I offer him watermelon with Tajin.
Ooh.
Okay, people, so this is... Johanna just decided this is a thing this summer.
This is going to be the thing of the summer.
Watermelon with Tajin. Sprinkled like this. And if you want to know how to cut a watermelon like this, please contact me and I show you. Complete the following lyrics. Beauty.
It's me.
Is that a song?
Yes. Beauty is me.
Complete the following lyrics. Beauty.
It's coming from the inside of your butt!
Complete the following lyrics. Beauty.
Beauty and the Beast. Yeah.
The following lyrics.
Okie dokie, man.
Beauty.
And the Beast.
And it's Grease Geek Week.
Huh?
Grease, it's Grease Week.
Beauty. Beauty comes from kindness. Everybody's hot. Nej, jag vet inte.
What do you want from me, darling? Tell me.
Usually on Saturdays, on the second show, you get really, really tired. But today I said, I'm not tired, it must be the weather. And then it hit me like a ton of tiredness. Just sort of like, oh, God, I'm tired now. Not so much tired as sleepy. Almost 12 o'clock and I'm going home. It's really hot. Some of the actors are still in the house because tomorrow is our last show and after that party. And I think they're planning to do some sort of entertainment for us. And now, people, it's time for a little tip here. If you don't know what to listen to on your podcast, what podcasts... Oh, this is really annoying. I'm not sure where I am. Oh, I'm the Earth. I'm the Moon. What am I? Anyway, I have a tip for you. The best podcast there is right now is listen to the Gilded Age podcast. Oh, I can't do this. This is not a good filter. Hello. Is this a filter? This is supposed to be some sort of news filter. I'm not sure. Anyway, I just want to tell you that the best podcast so far that I'm listening to from work, it's the Gilded Age podcast because I love their series, and that's it. It says news. Is there any news? I'm not sure. I'm being interviewed at this very moment. Like, I was thinking, what is there? Haven't I got a memo? What is it? Is there a new dress code or is there fashion I haven't heard about? Because there were a lot of people, especially young women, wearing sequin jackets, sequin skirts, very short sequin skirts and sequin dresses. And I thought, what is this? And then I realised, Taylor Swiftie is in town. These are all Swifties. Thank you for watching and for liking, commenting, subscribing and following. It really helps, and something to do with the internet and the algorithm, I think. So thank you so much.